Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences using the service. Today, we're taking a closer look at Mogo.ca, a Canadian fintech company. Mogo offers a suite of financial products designed to help you manage and improve your finances. From free credit score monitoring to personal loans and even mortgages, Mogo aims to be a one-stop shop for your financial needs. Their website, mogo.ca, is the central hub for accessing these services, and we'll be exploring what it offers. One of Mogo's most popular features is its free credit score monitoring. This allows you to keep tabs on your credit score without impacting it. You can track your score's progress over time and receive personalized tips for improvement. Mogo also provides identity fraud protection services to help safeguard your personal information. Beyond credit monitoring, Mogo offers a range of loan products, including personal loans and mortgages. Their platform provides a streamlined application process, making it easy to apply for the financial assistance you need. They also offer resources and tools to help you budget and manage your finances effectively. They aim to empower users to take control of their financial well-being. Mogo also provides a prepaid Visa card, the Mogo card, which can help you manage your spending and even earn rewards. Every time you use the Mogo card, you can contribute to planting trees, aligning your spending with environmental consciousness. This feature adds a unique socially responsible element to their offerings. Navigating the Mogo.ca website is generally straightforward. The site is well-designed and user-friendly, providing easy access to information about their various products and services. You can find details about loan terms, interest rates, and eligibility requirements directly on the website. They also have a comprehensive FAQ section to address common queries. If you're looking to consolidate debt, improve your credit score, or simply explore different financial options, checking out Mogo.ca might be worthwhile. Their diverse range of products and commitment to financial wellness make them a compelling option in the Canadian fintech landscape. Remember, all links are in the description below. Let me know your experiences with Mogo in the comments section.